People keep asking the same question. Is AI dangerous for our brains? Will it stop us from thinking? Some even say using AI in schools is bad because students will get lazy. But think about this. When computers arrived, did we stop writing by hand? When calculators showed up, did we stop learning math? No, we adapted. So why is AI any different? Could it actually make us smarter? Hi, I am Emmanuel, and today we're exploring a question that affects everyone, from students to coders to creators. We'll look at how AI is reshaping learning, work, and creativity, and how using it in the right way can make us smarter and more capable. What AI really is. Think about a mechanic. When a mechanic uses a tool to fix a car, the AI is not the mechanic, the AI is the tool. If before only a trained mechanic could do the job, now anyone can perform it because the tool has become so much better. Does that make sense? If a job was once impossible because it required years of study of natural talent, now all of a sudden anyone can do it in minutes. That's mind-blowing. So what does this mean? It means jobs are no longer about doing the work manually. They are about knowing which problem to solve, checking if the AI is right, applying human judgment and creativity. It's exciting and scary at the same time. Many jobs that once required years of training are now no longer out of reach. This opens the door for more people to create, build, and solve problems. I use AI for coding very often. Some people ask me, what if you forget how to code without it? My answer? That's the wrong question. It's like asking, if I write a book with a computer, will I forget to write a book by hand? Of course I could write a book by hand, but why would I, if it takes 10 times longer? The real skill is not typing every line yourself. The real skill is understanding what the code does, spotting errors, improving it, guiding AI to give you the right solution. That's coding literacy, and that's the future. I hear sometimes that some schools prevent using the AI. Imagine telling students, don't use microscopes. You have to examine everything with your own eyes alone. Yes, observing carefully matters, but microscopes unlocked a whole new level of discovery and understanding that was impossible before. It's the same with AI. Using it doesn't mean students stop thinking. It means they can think bigger. The real danger isn't using AI. It's using it blindly. Schools should teach students how to learn, how to refine questions, how to spot mistakes. Because the future won't reward those who memorize facts. It will reward those who know how to communicate and ask better questions. Will creativity be affected if we can just ask AI to be creative? If we rely on AI blindly, yes, our personal creativity could lower, because we're outsourcing imagination instead of exercising it. But if we use AI as a partner, it can actually enhance creativity. It can help us brainstorm faster, explore ideas we wouldn't have thought before, and iterate rapidly. It forces us to make decisions, refine prompts, and evaluate outputs. In short, AI doesn't kill creativity. It changes how we use it. The people who stay creatively sharp will be the ones who actively collaborate with AI, rather than passively accept its suggestion. So, should we be worried? No, but we should be mindful. AI won't make us stop thinking. unless we let it. If we treat it as a shortcut without thinking, yes, we risk becoming dependent. But if we treat it as a partner, it sharpens us. Just like a calculator didn't make mathematicians useless, it made them faster and more powerful. This is why education needs to change. We can't keep training people for the jobs of the past. We need to train them for the jobs of the future. That means less memorization, more understanding. Less repetition, more problem solving. Less don't use AI, more learn to master AI. Students should graduate not just knowing math or history, but knowing how to use AI responsibly, critically, and creatively. The future belongs to those who know how to work with these new tools, not fight against them. So, will AI stop us from thinking? No, absolutely not. AI will free us from the mechanical parts of thinking, so we can focus more on the creative, the critical, and the human parts. AI won't replace us, but people who know how to use AI will replace those who don't. And the real question is not, can I do this without AI? The real question is, how much bigger, faster, and more impactful I can be when I use it. Just like the computer, just like the calculator, AI is not the end of thinking. It's the next chapter of human potential. If this video inspired you, subscribe, like, share it with a friend, and let's think bigger.